Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold. If you watched my previous analysis, I said I was expecting gold to push to at least 1922, and I'll really do a quick recap. And my reason was because we can see that there was an imbalance around that area, which was much clearer at my 3 hours time frame. So because of this engulfing candle right here, there was an imbalance here. So I said there's a possibility for us to reject and push to that side right here, and we can see that there was we started rejecting off of my other block right here. So those are like the confluences for me to see that we might push to the upside. So we can see that we pushed a little bit over my negative 27% fib level, then we started rejecting off of that. So now I'm gonna delete my previous analysis and reanalyze based on this current price action. So let's see what we are looking at on gold, guys. I would like to go to a bigger time frame just because I want to see like the overall move of it. So we can see what we are currently at. We can see this is the daily time frame, right? So we can see that we currently broke this trend line right here. I see a possible retest to the upside and continue to at least push to the downside a little bit. That is what I am currently seeing on gold. So let me readjust this trend line right here. Okay, so I'm gonna delete. So I'm just gonna switch this to a down move. We can see first swing low to a swing high, right? So we can see swing high to swing low. So now what am I expecting? I'm expecting a bit of at least a retracement to aligns with my 50% fib level around that area before we now continue to possibly push to the downside. So I'm going to put a note here just for me to know that there is a daily time frame imbalance around that area. So I'm going to put that there. So let's go back to a smaller time frame just to see based on my big analysis, right? So like I said, because of we are currently around this area right here, I think we'll push up a little bit, right? Like I said, because there is an imbalance right here. So I can use something here just to indicate what I'm looking for, right? I think we might still continue to push up to around this area right here, like I said, just because of the imbalance we saw around the breaker time frame. And I would say this, that the bigger the time frame, the more accurate it is, right? So just because of how I'm going to delete this trend line, I don't like how it looks. So right now, let's say I want to change the color of that to something light, then change the setting to a short one. So right here, so I'm gonna draw a trend line here just to show that we are currently reacting off of this zone right here. But before I take a buy on gold, I will want a break of trend line here, a break of this zone here, retest, give me a break of structure, come down to retest, and I'll possibly write it to my target right there, which is around 1934. I still see it pushing up to that level right here until so that will be my target right here. But like and like I used to say, no one can predict the market, you can only react to the market. Let me see if I can draw a possible trend line around here just to help me see, right? And how we, okay, so like I said, you don't predict the market, you react to the market, right? If I see a break of trend line, a retest, or possible write it down to that level right here. So for my bearish move, this would be my possible target. So this is my target for bearish direction, and I'll change the color for this. Target for bullish direction. So like I said, no one predict the market. You don't know where the market will go to, so that's why you have to be open-minded in case if it goes to any direction, right? But like I said, I'm leaning towards more of a buying now than a sell. But like I said, anything can happen. So we are currently around the zone. We might be seeing something like an impulse, a possible correction to now zoom to the downside, and that will be my target. Or a break of trend line here. I want to see a break of structure, a break of trend line. I want to see a possible retest around the zone just to show me that we are not breaking out of the zone after breaking up, so I can possibly ride it to this direction right here. So I can just draw a scenario of what I'm looking for here to here for the uptrend, and from here I want to see a retest giving me something. Okay, so I want to see something like this come down here, give me a retest, then possible push to the downside. That's what I want to see. Let me come here, retest, give me, and push to the upside. I'm going to change the color of this one. So that is my thoughts on gold, guys. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys.